Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, beloved Hazur.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Hassan Mahmood Jawahir. My question today is, what are the greatest problems that an island like Mauritius will face in an eventual World War III?
If there is world war, if Mauritius is involved in that world war or not, it does not matter. Because nowadays, the world is like a global village. So if the one country is affected, the other is dependent on it, or all the countries are interdependent. They depend on each other. So if there is world war and if you have any food item which is being imported, then you will suffer to get those food items. If your trading is with some other country which has been affected by the world war badly and their economy has crippled, then Mauritius will have the effect on the country, on herself, on the country. So the people of different nations will suffer whether they are directly involved in the world war or not. Because nowadays, as I have said, we are depending on each other. So this interdependence will make every country suffer, because economically the whole world will see the crisis. And now you see, 2008 economic crisis affected Mauritius as well. Coronavirus, although there are very few cases of coronavirus in Mauritius, but still Mauritius is also affected. There are quite a number of things which are not available in Mauritius nowadays because of coronavirus. Economy is not as good as used to be when the days were normal. So the same thing will happen after the World War and during the World War. Right? Okay?
Okay, Jazakallah Hazur.